everyone, welcome to the comprehensive introduction of the new triangle shell roof tent camper. Today, we will delve into every detail of this product. First, let's take a look at this unique triangle design. It is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also provides paralleled stability and internal space. This rooftop camper uses high-strength carbon fiber panels and aluminum alloy frame. The carbon fiber panels feature a 7-inch structure with carbon fiber sheet on both sides and a PMI core in the middle. PMI is a material commonly used in aerospace due to its light weight and high rigidity. This combination makes the panels lightweight yet extremely durable and offers excellent insulation. Take a look at this independently designed hinge. It ensures the camper remains stable during opening and closing. This design has been patented. This window is truly unique. We designed and manufactured by ourselves because the panel is really thin, about 0.5 inch. All the windows on the market, they cannot push out, but we can. Excellent waterproof performance. It can push out, and when it closes, because of the magnet here, it has a really cool sound. The sound is really cool. For all folding parts, we use unique designed rubber hinges. These hinges are not only waterproof, but also facilitate folding. Regarding the installation methods, we have reserved installation slots around the bottom of camper. In addition, there are 3 crossbars at the bottom with slot 2. We can also design special installation fixtures according to your car model. The entrance door is made of dual-pane PC material. Our big advantage is the height of the opening side. It is up to 1.5 meters. As I know, it is the highest in the Chinese market. Our rooftop camper offers 2 entry methods, one through the car's sunroof and another through the large transparent entrance door. Both options provide easy access and a comfortable experience. When folded, this camper is less than 25 cm thick, making it very easy to carry and store. For the interior, we used high-quality real leather. All internal hardware hinges are made of stainless steel. The top-notch ventilation system and cozy LED light strips provide a comfortable nighttime atmosphere. Let's look at the camper's power system. We use custom solar batteries, which can operate normally in temperature as low as -30 degrees. The system supports 2 charging methods, main electricity and solar power. At home, you can use mains electricity to charge, while outdoors, solar panels can replenish the battery, ensuring you always have power. The battery is also equipped with USB ports, allowing you to charge different types of phones and tablets. Additionally, our power system features 2 independent switches, one for controlling the camper's side light strips and another for controlling the exhaust fan. In summary, our camper with unique design, excellent material, will provide you a new experience of outdoor adventure. Thank you for watching. For more information, please feel free to contact us.